are doing our very first video on my new camera. Shout out to my man.
And her man. Thank you to her.
Thank you to my, thank you. Thanks so much. So our first word for today is the word humor. Please don't tell me you say humor. Well, forget the H.
Humor. You. We say humor. You don't have no sense of humor. Humor.
Humor.
You don't have...
You have no sense of humor. You don't have no sense of humor.
Everybody that's in Nigeria, come get your girl.
You don't have no sense of humor. You're not funny. You're not funny. You're not have no sense of humor. No.
Oh my God.
I don't know. They both go hand in hand. But like when you're speaking Jamaican, you just put at the end of it. You don't have no sense of humor. No.
Yeah. Oh my God, Livy.
I've been practicing.
You been practicing?
In my room, I told you I literally just speak patois to myself. I be in my room like.
Tell me what you say.
First of all, I've been practicing the little suck teeth thing. So like this girl told me like put my lips together, put my tongue on the back of my teeth, and go away.
Come on, mighty long.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me do it again. Let me get the. Was that closer?
That was good, Livy.
So I'll be like, sure.
You have to put more spit in it now. You need a babe?
Okay, wait.
Put a little spit with it and you're good to go. More dry like
You're
a
making
chip.
me think. Chips. More to dry like a chips.
Laka.
Lock up your mouth. What is it? How you say it?
What?
Lock up your mouth? No.
Shut up your mouth.
Shut up your mouth.
Shut up your mouth. Lock up your mouth.
Either one. Okay. All right, next word. This word looks weird. Handkerchief. But we say handkerchief.
Handkerchief.
Handkerchief. Oh, you're crying, girl. You can use my handkerchief.
Handkerchief. That's so country. We say tired.
Tired? Am I go tired?
Yes.
So you mean like tie?
Head.
Head.
Tired. So you just say tired. You see me tired?
I like that. I'm sitting up today. I look tall, guys.
About time again.
Wait. Why is it tie head?
Because that we use tie with head.
You use
Everything we use tie your head and name tired.
everything that you use to tie your head. You don't tie your head with no handkerchief.
Yes, you do.
Girl, how? That's
You
a
know,
bandana. Girl, that's a bandana.
Girl.
That is not no handkerchief.
Exhibit A. See the handkerchief here.
Handkerchief.
And then you go so with it. This is not even a perfect little square. This is a rectangle. But you go so with it and then you just go so and tie your head. Bomb monster.
Listen.
Bananas are so far.
That is a bandana.
Yeah, that's what
Nah, that handkerchief.
It's a tie head.
So you call bandanas tie head.
Bandanas are tie head.
A bandana is a tie head.
Tie
a
head.
handkerchief is like when a man have on a suit and he put that little, he put that little thing in his little pocket or
That's
like.
just kerchief.
Girl. Forget the hand. We don't need her. We don't need her. That's just kerchief. Excuse the mess out of me. What?
You talking about little pocket kerchief?
Oh, it's not a handkerchief. Pocket kerchief.
You talking little one with a little design like this. What have the design like that? And it just goes so?
And it go like that.
And it goes a little something like this.
Oh.
This way you talk?
Yes. Your man got on one in the picture.
Oh.
He don't have one. I don't know. My dad like is old as crap. If you see this, love you. But my daddy is very old, and he always keep a little handkerchief for our noses be running because we got allergies bad. So
Oh my God.
he don't pull it out of right here though. He be keeping his little pocket. But he just be like,
that is not handkerchief, what we call handkerchief.
she finna Google it.
I'm about to Google it. I wish I would watch it go.
You know, I need a space in the middle.
Hold on.
It's one word.
See here, this be a talk.
No way. This me a talk. That is a bandana.
This be a talk. See that it on the Amazon.
They don't see it. They still don't see it.
See it there?
Listen.
I'm gonna handkerchief this.
Let's do this soon.
What you call this? Instagram, TikTok. What is name?
Ready? Everybody say it with me.
1, 2, 3.
Bandana. That's a bandana.
This is this you call bandana?
That was cute. Bandana. 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 Bandana.
What them call it?
Cotton bandana. Please.
So why am I typing handkerchief and this come up then?
Because it knows that you're Jamaican.
Hold on, Amazon.
Hold on. They don't love you like I love you.